Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to use NXCAD as a software in 3D PLM. So let's start with it. So this is the interface of NXCAD CAM. It is a software of Siemens company. It is also known as Unigraphics. So let's see how to open the software and let's do some drawings. So here we click on new. So you need to click on new, and after you got clicked on new, you'll get this interface. This simple basic interface where every categories has its own uniqueness. So let's go to model. First model, assembly, shape studio, sheet metal works, and different modules are there. So let's click on model and let's go and get off it. Guys, so this is the basic user interface of NXCAM 2D drawing and 3D drawing. So this is known as sketch part. The starting part is, let's talk about the top of the panel. This is file. You need to click and you'll get this options to save, open, import, export, etc. Then this is home. In home column you will get different options of drawing. In curve options you'll get some basic curves like helix. In analysis part, you can measure the distance as well. View part, render. If you want to render your drawing, you can do this in NXCAD. Tools, then applications. Here we get all these sheet metal works, all these drafting parts, 3D modeling, electrical, mechanical, and other options are available like vehicle design, automation. Everything is customized in NXCAM. NXCAD and NXCAM. You can do NXCAM as well in the same interface in NXCAD CAM software. So let's click at home and you can see all this basic user interface like sketch, direct sketch. In this direct sketch you get this 2D modules to draw and you can convert this into 3D part. Then this option feature comes where you can featurize your drawing into different shapes, and you can create different assemblies as modules, and you can save and you can extract and all this different thing. This is a special feature of NXCAD CAM. You'll get in only NXCAD CAM. This is known as synchronous modeling. We'll get to know in the next video. Let me show a simple basic 2D and 3D drawing conversion. So you need to click on sketch. You'll get this module. You'll get this tab. Here it is written to select a basic design part. So you need to select at this. There are three options: X, Y, Z, X and YZ plane. There are three planes. In which plane you want to draw, you need to select. Suppose I want to draw in this plane. I want to draw in this plane. You need to select the plane. Once you selected the plane, it's written over here that select planar face on plane 1. It has selected the plane and you need to press OK. You need to enter OK. Then as you entered OK, this part switches into your plane. Now there are different options available over here like direct sketch, feature, synchronous modeling as well. So you need to press this. These are the options. You'll get to learn in the further videos. These are the options you need to draw over here. Let's take a simple profile. I want to make some curve. First point, second point, and then third point. Then this one, then this one, then this one. So you need to click cross. selected. Then press ESC. One more important option is here in NXCAD and CAM as well. Okay, that you can select a continuous auto dimensioning. Okay, continuous auto dimensioning in this feature. Okay, suppose if you switch off this feature, okay, and you draw some, you can say you draw some circle over here. Okay, I've drawn some circle. See, you can see the auto dimensioning has not taken its own dimension. You need to draw it manually. Okay, how you can draw this? You can click this radial dimension, you can click on this sketch, and you can see it has taken the dimension as well. Okay, the next part, if you switch on auto dimension feature, you can see a pop-up. Then you can select a sketch like circle, then you draw a circle, then you can see this has taken its auto dimension as well. Okay, you can see it has taken its auto dimension as well. Okay, now let's get to let's delete all this. Okay, let's delete all these things because I'm showing a simple 3D extrude. Okay, so let's do once again. First point, continuous auto dimensioning off, select sketch, okay, select a sketch. Okay, then you need to enter a simple profile option, or any option is preferable to you. Okay, press ESC, then cut option, then isometric, orient view, isometric, then it has taken its isometric view. Then you need to enter this option, extrude, then again you need to select the curve. Okay, you have selected the curve and this has taken its own path. Okay, and you can change it symmetric, you can do symmetric, you can put the value as one direction, two direction, depends on your requirement. Okay, so I've taken the distance as 30. I've taken the symmetric distance as 30. So this means from this point to this point is 30, and from this point to this point is also 30. So total distance is going to be 60. Okay, so let's click on apply. Okay, then cancel. Then here you can hide the sketch as well. Sketch is showing over here, and you can hide the sketch by hide option. So you can see the sketch is already hidden. Okay, the sketch is already hidden. You can rotate as well, you can rotate these things. Okay, these are the basic some guidelines to draw in NXCAD and CAM. NXCAD especially. Okay, we'll get to know NXCAM in the later videos on this YouTube channel. Okay, so let's make another drawing. Let's make another drawing. Okay, so let's delete this. Let's put that new drawings, this model, sketch option. You need to select the plane, this plane. Okay, select the rectangle, and here is 3 sub parts of this. Okay, first one is by 2 points you can create rectangle. For example, this is 1 point and this is another point. Okay, the rectangle is created. second is from 3 points. Okay, you have entered first point, you have clicked second point, you have clicked third point. So in this feature, basically you can draw a rectangle in any particular angle. Okay, in any particular angle. For example, you want to draw this rectangle in 60 degree. So draw a line. Okay, and go to more, turn off the continuous dimension, go to rapid dimension, then go to angular dimension. Okay, you need to enter this line and this line and this thing. Okay, and 60, enter. So you can see the rectangle in 60 degree, and you can more customize this as well. You can customize, suppose the length is 60.2, you need to do 70. Okay, it's done. Okay, you can change this as a 150. Okay, you can customize this as your requirements. Okay, you can customize this as your requirements. Let's turn this line, close this option. Okay, let's turn into reference. Let's convert this line into reference, and then we finish the sketch. Once we have finished the sketch, you need to enter isometric views, left right click, and then orient views and isometric, or you can just press the end option. You can just press simply the end option. Then you need to go to extrude. You need to go to extrude, then select the curve, then symmetric 20. Okay, then go to sketch and hide the sketch. So you can see the drawing is completed. The drawing is completed. Okay, let's go into another module. Let's press new, then model, sheet metal. In this I'm gonna show you how to revolve option, how to revolve simply option. Okay, then press OK. Then you need to go to profile, to select this one, this, this, okay, and then press ESC. It is done. And cross this, then finish sketch, then end option, then go to extrude, then click revolve option. Okay, select the curve first. Okay, specify the vector. Okay, select this angle. Okay, select this angle. Okay, then okay, so you can see. Then hide the sketch. Hide the sketch. You can see simply a table is drawn by this revolve feature in NXCAD. Okay, so in this way you can draw a simple drawings in NXCAD, simple to advanced. Okay, now I'm gonna show you some basic fundamentals of NXCAD. Okay, so you need to enter new, you need to enter OK. So there are different modules over here, like profile, rectangle, line. There is arc. You can also draw arc. You can also draw circle. You can also locate a point anywhere. Okay, then there are many options like polygon, hexagon. You can also do. Okay, ellipse. Okay, major, minus, ellipse you can draw with this feature. there are conic features, different. Okay, there is a datum plane also. You can draw an extra plane in NXCAD CAM as well. Extrude option, I've shown extrude and revolve both in this video. All option is there. Pattern feature, unite. In this feature you can unite two drawings. Okay, so there is a edge blend like fillets and all. There is a chamfer option, trim body, draft options as well. Okay, there are more features like mirror your interface into different parts, trim sheet, thicken, scale body. Rib option is important over here. We're gonna teach you in the later videos.